I'm from Evotech, the technology operator of Tatmeen, and this is our weekly workshop. This weekly workshop is made to support the industry on board to Tatmeen and to address any challenges that you might be having in connecting to Tatmeen. Before we start, just wanted to let you know that this call is recorded, and we will be sharing the recording with everyone on the chat of this call after the call, hopefully within 24 hours once we are done with the call, because we need to upload it to YouTube and share the link with you. Everyone on this call is muted, so if you have any question, please raise your hand and I will allow you to unmute yourself and ask your question. I think we can start. Moise, good morning. Can you please unmute yourself?
Good morning, Mr. Nibal. How are you?
Good morning, Moise.
This regarding to our last meeting, we have requested one serial number in the receiving screen portal. I have sent an email also for the enhancement. I have not received any reply on that.
Sorry, Moise, your enhancement was to add what? Sorry.
In the receiving portal for product hierarchy, if we are receiving multiple line items and with too many items also SKUs, so we are currently copy pasting that into Excel to know the actual number of quantity in that SSCC.
Oh, the quantity. Yes, Moise.
Yes.
I think any change request, it will not be happening overnight. It will not be happening also week over week. We have already a backlog of enhancements that we are working on, and your request was already added to the backlog, but it doesn't mean that it will be implemented the next week. It might take a few months until we implement it. It might also be required to go through the ministry for approval. So yeah, just to highlight for this request and any other enhancement request, it will not be happening week over week. It will take some time and it has to go through the backlog.
Okay, but the request is recorded, right? Because I have not received any acknowledgement email on that.
Yes, we recorded it, and it is now shared with the ministry that you will need the quantity to be added once on the receiving portal. Yes.
Yes. Okay then. That's it, Mr. Thank you.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Mas. Thank you. Ghaida, can you please unmute yourself?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
We're receiving shipments. I work at Al Enma drugstore. We're receiving shipments, but the MOH inspectors, they're saying they cannot see it on Tatmeen portal. So, but the supplier is assuring that it's on Tatmeen portal. How can I confirm that from my side?
Did you try to receive it and it failed?
To tell you frankly, I don't know what's the next step. Like, I know it's on Tatmeen portal, but I cannot see it from my side. How can I check, if I may ask?
Okay. The thing is, not anyone can verify or validate any shipment. It has to be sent to you, and you have to receive it, and then you will be able to check using the product verification. But you're saying that the MAH is saying that they shared it on Tatmeen. They have done the commissioning to Tatmeen. Did they send it to you as well on Tatmeen?
No.
Okay, then you cannot validate it. You cannot use the product verification feature if you have not received the product in your GLN.
Okay, so can I do that before receiving the shipment in the store?
No, it's not possible at the moment. We have a validation.
Yes, I'm confused because we have the scanners, everything, but the MOH, they are not releasing the shipments. They want to see it on the portal, which is a little bit confusing.
Okay, please send us a specific serial number, any 1 or 2 samples of this shipment, and we will reply to you and tell you whether the manufacturer has done the commissioning correctly or not. They might think that they have done something correct, but if you are not able to receive it, then something is wrong from their side.
Okay, the same email of Tatmeen.
Yes, please. To onboarding, tell us that the MAH claims that they have done the correct process to Tatmeen, and share with us your GLN so that we can check whether the MAH has actually sent the products to your GLN, or maybe they sent it to a different GLN by mistake. So we need to validate that as well.
Okay, thank you very
You're
much.
welcome. You're welcome. Meds, can you please, Meds Medical, can you please unmute yourself?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yes, we hear you.
I'm Inas. I am Inas. I'm faced a problem when I'm success to register at SDG portal at Tatmeen, but when I'm trying to register at MOH portal, I'm failed because it's not recognize the GTN number. I am successful to register the GTN on when I'm registered the pre-import permit, and it's on the approval, and I'm get the shipping clearance, import clearance, everything. And when I'm try to register at Mohab Tatmeen, I'm failed. What can I do?
So you are MAH or licensed agent?
Tatmeen portal.
Yes, but your role,
MOH
what is your
Tatmeen
company?
portal.
What's your company? Is it a licensed agent or manufacturer?
Yes, no, we are store, medicine store.
Medical store, and you have products registered under your name, correct?
No, we are unregistered. We import unregistered medicine.
Unregistered
We
medicine.
registered at Prancing. Yes, I'm registered on Prancing and successful to register on Tatmeen SDG portal. But when I'm trying to register at Mohab, the other portal, I'm failed because they send us the GTN number. It's not recognized.
Okay, so the product is having a GTIN number, but the GTIN number, you try to put it in Mohab shipping permit system or import permit system, it is telling you unrecognized, correct?
No, I'm put it on when I'm trying to register at the pre-import. I'm put this number. Okay.
Okay. Can you give me the import number, the shipping permit number? Can you give me the shipping permit number?
Yes.
SHP MP.
24.
Yes.
0. 2246/2024.
This shipping permit is still not approved. Okay. We don't have it on Tatmeen.
How it's
okay.
No, it's approved, and I'm downloaded from yes, and I have it.
Okay. Now, when you created the shipping permit, you should put the GTIN on the shipping permit. Did you put the GTIN on the shipping permit?
They asked us to put it on the just only in the pre-import. In shipping permit, we cannot put it. They didn't have any.
Okay, you put it on the pre-import. You put it on the pre-import, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And when and then it got approved by Mohab. It has the GTIN, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now you need to go to Brancing and make sure that this GTIN number that you're having is added to Brancing. Is it added to Brancing?
Yes. I'm finished all this process.
And it's approved by Brancing?
Yes.
Can you give me the GTIN number?
Yes. 06.
Yes.
419.
419.
71.
Okay.
6607.
6607.
368.
Okay, it's not approved. It's not showing on Tatmeen. So, okay, let me tell you the process. Sorry, because I went into detail. Sorry for the rest of the people here on the call. Usually, I don't go into case by case, but I'll tell you the process. You need to go to the import permit, apply for an import permit. You put the GTIN number there. You get the next step, which is a shipping permit. You get it approved. You need also to go to Brandsing, provide the details of the product, the artwork, and then Brandsing would approve that system. And you need to make sure that they send it to Tatmeen. Ask them whether they have sent it to Tatmeen or not. And to make sure that they have sent it correctly to Tatmeen, you need to go to your Tatmeen page, go to the master data, product master, and check whether that product is there or not. If the product is not shown on your Tatmeen page,
yes,
Tatmeen,
on Tatmeen it's reach, and
Tatmeen,
yes,
not Brandsing.
Brandsing, Tatmeen reach. When I am open my data, I'm found it, this medicine. Yes,
you go to tatmeen.mohab.gov.ae and you will find you are seeing your product there, right?
On Tatmeen, in Mohab, in Tatmeen, yes, on Tatmeen Mohab, I'm found it.
You found your product on tatmeen.mohab.gov.ae.
Yes.
Okay, strange. I don't see it from my side. Please send us an email with the details of the shipping permit and the GTIN, and our team will check if it's there or not, because I don't see it on Tatmeen. So let's check, and if there's and then once it's done and you find it on Tatmeen, then you need to do either mobile commissioning of if you're using the portal, or file upload if you have the details via Excel file.
Yes, I am successful to download this Excel on the other port, not Wahab, Tatmeen, the other SDGs, Tatmeen. That's why
the staging is successful.
Yes. Yes.
But why when you're trying to file upload, it's not showing on Tatmeen?
Because they told me that the error, the GTN number is not recognized at Mohab. That's why.
This is the error code. GTIN is not recognized at Mohab.
Yes, yes.
Okay. First of all, yeah, the product, I found it. It is showing on Tatmeen. That is excellent. But the shipping permit, I couldn't find it. So I'm not sure whether the shipping permit was fully approved by Mohab or not, but it's not showing at all.
Okay. The email use importing.
Sorry? Onboarding, yes, please.
Onboarding?
Yes, to onboarding.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Kishore, can you please unmute yourself?
Yeah, hi. Good morning, Nibal.
Hey, good morning.
Yeah. Nibal, this the dispensing time. So almost all my dispensers, I'm getting the error got like import not at got import clearance or not at market release. So 2-3 times I have sent a mail to your team and they have cleared for that one. And the last time then I have asked to share that the shipping permit number. Then I told them no, we are from pharmacy. I don't get that. Then again they have released. So how do I resolve this for all my serials? So is there any way that I can get some data, or is it, or I can share my data to you people that this is my dispensers? How do we clear it for all the cases?
Yeah, but it will take you lots of time, no?
But if you can share us that whatever that serials that is we are holding for the group, then we can yeah.
I'll tell you, Kishore, the root cause of the problem. And if you can share with us all your serials, then we will expedite those serials. But let me tell you the issue. Tatmeen went live in December 2022. From December 2022 until August, there was no financial decree, so there was no enforcement by the ministry. In December, the ministry started slowly pushing for Tatmeen. During this period, almost 1 year of products entered the country and they were on Tatmeen. They did not receive this import clearance. Now you are trying to dispense the products that entered during this period where the ministry was easily pushing the industry to Tatmeen without affecting the shortage of medicine. So that was the challenge that the ministry was being very careful of. They want to enforce Tatmeen, at the same time they don't want to force shortage of medicine in the industry, in the local market. Those are the products that you are having challenges with at the moment. However, we are reviewing them and we are doing the import clearance in coordination with the ministry. So if you have a list of those serial numbers, send them to us and we will expedite them. We're talking of around 80 million products to be released, and that will take time.
Okay, so say suppose if in a day, maybe in entire group of Prime, maybe we have dispensed somewhere around 400 to 500 medicines, which is already commissioned. So
Okay.
each day, do you expect me to send that list and you will be releasing that one, or how do you want
No,
to proceed?
this is why I told you. This is why I told you it will be a challenge for you. Please bear with us. We are expediting this, and we hope that we can do it as soon as possible.
Okay.
Bear with us on that.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Sure.
you. Thank you.
Laura, can you please unmute yourself?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, we do.
Okay. So actually, I already sent an email as well to onboarding Tatmeen regarding our report for the upcoming shipment. So we already submitted the report to Tatmeen website. There are 4 batches that we are going to ship the goods to UAE. 2 batches are successfully uploaded, but the other 2 are failed. Long short discussion. So actually the report was not correct. The one that already uploaded and successful is also not correct because we put the GTIN of shipper case same like the secondary packaging. This information is not mentioned in the guidelines, so there is a mistake on the GTIN. That's why our commission quantity report is now already full because our GTIN of shipper case is also count as the GTIN secondary packaging. We understand that we have to change the GTIN shipper case to correct the report. But my question is, how can we re-upload the report if you cannot amend or delete the previous one that already successfully uploaded?
Okay. First of all, I am aware of the case, and unfortunately, the only solution for your case is to apply for a shipping permit with the small quantity. I think it's 300 that you missed because you uploaded shipper case as G10s. So the licensed agent, the licensed agent to apply for another shipping permit, and that shipping permit would be to cover for the quantity that was missed. That's the only option you have, because even if you decommission the item that you commissioned by mistake, you will not be freeing the shipping permit. You already consumed that quantity. Okay.
We do understand that the agent have to make the other need to submit another commission quantity of the shipment permit, but do we need to correct whole report because the previous how do I say, if the missing quantity is only 300, then okay, let's say the agent submit another shipment permit for 300 boxes, but how about the previous quantity that submitted? Because the secondary packaging is correct, but the GTIN case is not correct. If we change with the actual product, so for example, we change the GTIN of shipper case in actual product, it will show a different number with the one that already uploaded in your website.
Sorry, I didn't get you. I didn't understand that. If you create a shipper case now on branching for the shipper case, and you want to, sorry, you lost me.
Okay, so My problem is the GTIN of secondary packaging and the GTIN of shipper case is same, the one that we submitted to your website. So we understand that the GTIN of shipper case have to be changed. We understand and we will revise the report. But if you said that the agent has to apply new shipment permit, then how about the old data? Because actually we upload the old data.
I think I got you. So you have a shipping permit for 1,000 items. Assume 1,000 items. For these 1,000 items, you uploaded to Tatmeen 950 serialized GTINs, SGTINs, and 50 of them you were assuming that these were the shipper cases, but actually you were using the same GTINs of the product itself. So on Tatmeen, we have a total of 1,000 serialized GTINs, SGTINs. 50 of them are not items. They are secondary package GTINs. Now, those 50 that you already commissioned to Tatmeen, you need to take them out of Tatmeen by applying I don't know, an export damaged, whatever update you need to do on them so that you can remove them. But still, you already consumed the 1,000 limit of the shipping permit. You need to apply for another shipping permit for the difference, which is 50 items. You need to commission the 50 items of the secondary package GTIN, not the shipper case. The secondary package GTIN, you commission 50 more items. So the total items on Tatmeen would become now 1,000, 950 from the previous shipping permit and 50 from the new shipping permit, a total of 1,000. Now you can do any packing you want using the new shipper case GTIN that you obtained. And you don't need to, when you commission those SGTINs for the shipper case, it doesn't consume from your shipping permit limit. They are not counted. The shipping permit counts only the secondary packages, not the shipper cases and not the SSCCs. You can commission those SGTINs for the shipper case and then perform the aggregation and shipping using the normal methods that you were planning to use. Does that answer your question?
Not really, because let example the 10,000 boxes of permit. So we have 4 batches. So let's assume that each batch number has quantity 250. At the moment, it's already commission 900 because the 3 batches that already submitted and successful read the GTIN of shipper case as the secondary packaging. So supposedly 1 batch only 250, but the system read it as 300 because the GTIN is the same, right? So if the agent, submit the new shipment permit to fulfill the last batches. How about the previous batches that already uploaded? Because it's the system read the GTIN of secondary packaging and the GTIN of shipper case, and that shipper case GTIN shipper case is false, not the correct one. We want to correct. We want to revise it. We want to correct it and re-upload, but you cannot delete. We were informed that you cannot delete the old data. When we try to re-upload, actually we try to re-upload the report to your website.
Okay, it will not work because you consumed the shipping permit already.
No, the other issue not only about the commission quantity, but also the GTIN of secondary packaging is already recorded to your system. For example, the GTIN of secondary packaging is already recorded, but the SSCC is not recorded. That's one of our problem as well. Except
no, one
the
second. Sorry,
commission
1 second.
quantity.
The GTIN that is already recorded on Tatmeen at the moment for the shipper case, it's wrong. So once you obtain a new GTIN from Brandsync for the shipper case, you combine the new GTIN with the serial number, any serial number that you generate for your shipper cases. And when you commission them to Tatmeen, it should accept it because this is a new GTIN. It's not the old GTIN. So a new combination of GTIN and serial number should be fine.
But the GTIN of secondary packaging is still the same, and your system will read it as an error from the first time because the GTIN of secondary packaging is already successfully recorded in your website. While
So
in
you're trying to
our
commission it again? No, don't commission the secondary package again. You cannot commission it again. You commission only the missing quantity, only. You cannot commission the whole batch again in one lot. Just commission the new items that you missed from the previous batch.
even though the previous batch, the one that we submitted in previous batch was wrong, so we do not need to revise it.
But there are all the secondary packages are correct. Only the shipper cases are wrong. Correct?
One of the two batches are like that, and the other two batches, we cannot submitted the secondary package from the beginning.
Laura, for the sake of the time, let's discuss this offline. I will ask my colleagues to reach out to you on that by email. Okay?
Okay, sure. I already sent an email as well. We will wait for
Sure.
your reply then.
Sure. We will reply back to you on this special case.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Any other questions from your side?
At the moment, no. I think we have
Oh.
to resolve that issue first.
Okay. Okay. No worries. Okay. Thank you, Laura. Thank you. Gulf Drug, can you please unmute yourself?
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah, actually, my question is to you. Like we have been asked before regarding this, the option. Like we cannot see that option in Tatmeen portal by searching reference number to get the details for all the transactions. Like, because lots of our customer is asking for the EPIX file. And
Okay.
the data also. So there is no option.
Yes.
So
Yes.
like
Correct. That is clear, and I'll tell you why this might not be the correct thing to do. Because if you're sharing the file with your customers, they will start receiving based on the file itself. So what if they received wrong items, and because they received the file from you, they just updated that yes, I received it. The Tatmeen, the idea behind Tatmeen is that we are tracking the physical goods. Sorry, not the EPCIS file. We recommend if you want to share it with them, feel free to share it, but there's no way to generate it from Tatmeen. If the MAH is willing to share it with you, request it from the MAH. If that makes your life easier as operation, feel free to do it. However, at the moment on Tatmeen, it's not there. And we recommend that when you are sending to your customers, they need to receive the physical items. They need to scan the SSCC, the outer package that you sent to them.
because lots of our customer, they are connected as a B2B
Okay.
with some other service provider. So somehow they are saying that we cannot scan it. We need EPIX file, and the files like we need to upload in our system. So like that they're asking. So in this regard, what will you say?
Okay. If you are sending them loose items, unaggregated, then I think they have the right to ask for this file. But if you are aggregating the shipments in your warehouse into one or two SSCCs, then that might not be a requirement if they scan just one or two items, correct?
I didn't get you. Like,
So if you are sending them 500 items unaggregated, individual serial numbers, then I agree with them. It's not practical to scan 500 times. But if you do the aggregation as required by the ministry and you send them the items aggregated in 1 or 2 cases or 1 or 2 pallets or cartons, then scanning 1 or 2 barcodes shouldn't be a challenge for them, right?
Yeah, but we are sending like aggregated items to all the customers. Like we are not sending on piece level and all. We are doing here all the things like as per MOHAP regulation.
Fine. Then in that case, for practicality, it's practical, I would say, to scan the items if they are aggregated. However, if they want to enter it in their system and you are able to generate the EPCIS file as well and share it with them, then probably that might be a good option if you want to be supportive to your customers and share with them the EPCIS file. From Tatmeen's side, at the moment, it's not there. We do not share it.
Okay, so it means it is not. It is also not necessary. Like it's up to customer. Like if they are asking, so we should provide.
I would say yes, provided, because you as a licensed agent as well, if you want the EPCIS file from the MAH, you need it as well sometimes, and you will be requesting it from the MAH, and you want the MAH to share it with you. The same applies if you are share for your customers. If you are able to provide the EPCIS file, please proceed with that. Yeah, that will might be helping them as well, correct?
Okay, yeah, correct. And my
Yeah.
second question to you, we are receiving this in transit slip by your side, right?
Yes.
So in this regard, we have many SSCs like on our GLN, and we are asking to our supplier, but they are not replying anything. So in this regard, like we can perform this receiving, and once we receive, it will show in our GLN, right?
Yes.
So we need to cancel those SSCs, like
You
because
can dispense them. You can dispense the SSCCs completely. If you are 100% sure that you already sold them, then go ahead and dispense the whole SSCC.
to whom we can dispense, like
Sorry?
to whom, like to whom we
The,
can
the
dispense. Once we are-
the dispensation event doesn't specify to whom. Dispense means you sold it. Okay? Tatmeen doesn't track the patient details, the end user details. Tatmeen ends at the moment at pharmacies or hospitals when an item is getting opened or sold. But we do not capture the receiver. Dispensation event doesn't ask you to whom are you sending it, to whom are you selling it. You're just saying that you sold it. That's it. It's not like shipping. Shipping, you need to specify who's the receiver. But dispensing, you don't need to specify that.
Okay, so we can receive it and we can dispense it.
Yes.
So after dispensing, there will be no data in our GLN, right?
Correct. It will remain on Tatmeen as decommissioned, but it's not in your location anymore. You sold it.
Understood.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Arun, good morning. Can you please unmute yourself?
Yeah, hi, good morning, Nibal.
Good morning.
Yeah, Nibal, I have a small clarification that
Sure.
we have a 2 GLN number. One we are using in our clinic and another one is in our pharmacy. So from the supplier, we are receiving the stocks in our clinic GLN, and we're using the SSCC code to receive, and we are keeping in our store clinic GLN. And if I need to transfer to our stores, so in that case, I can use that SSCC code in our clinic GLN number, because now we are not able to use the SSCC to send them, because if we send in a serial number wise, so for each and every item they want to scan and receive that one.
Okay, so you're asking if you are receiving an SSCC from your suppliers, can you use the same SSCC to ship to your pharmacy?
Yes.
The same SSCC, yes, you can use it. But there is one trick here. When you receive those items and you are unpacking them, don't use unpack all, because unpack all for the SSCC would make it decommission. Okay? Make unpack. Okay, when you click unpack, the normal unpack, it will be unpacked to one layer or one level down. So if you're receiving an SSCC and you make unpack, you are unpacking the inner items into individual items as one level. You will keep the SSCC and you can reuse it again. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for this
You're
answer.
welcome.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Sadat, can you please unmute yourself?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, actually, yesterday onwards, we receiving one notification from Tatmeen, Epic's notify, okay?
Yes.
And our shipment complete inbound and outbound is holding. Okay, we need to reload 1 or 2 times, then after only it's uploading. And we getting one error from notification, Tatmeen notify Epic response below and so details.
What is the
Any
error
issue
code?
from,
What does
yeah,
it say?
and even we, our third party, our service provider also we called, and they're telling this actually Tatmeen, they're blocking our the shipment. Any issue?
What is the error code? Well, I'm not following.
There is a lot
What
of
is the error code?
Error code. 1 second.
What is the error? What is the description?
Description, product Tatmeen notification, Epic response.
Okay, what is the error? Error. Can you go to the error? What's the error? Description.
Error instant identifier I.
Yeah.
Okay. Second is S message. Okay, and proceed started, and there is an object event failed. All changes in the event have been retrieved, and for the event some date 01/03/23/11 failed.
Okay, but what is the failure reason? What does it say?
Failed means our our third party tool is a Kinda. Okay, we try to uploading, then they return back.
Can you go to the message again and read the reason?
I
There must be a reason for failure.
I already sent the details from Tatmeen. What is it? Your email address? contact@tatmeen.com. I already error code, everything I already forwarded.
Okay. And your question is, what is the
error? Yes. I think 2, 3, 4 times you want to upload. Then only it's loading from Tatmeen.
What do you mean 2, 3? 2, 3?
No. Actually, we are using one third-party tool and we submitting this job. Okay, it's automatically uploading Tatmeen. Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes it's a return back 2 or 3 times, and we want to reload it.
Okay. You are from Al Bakr?
Al Bakr, yes.
Okay. See, there are several errors here. One of them is that, okay, all the errors are technical. So your service provider is sending wrong messages to us.
Yes.
The service provider is not changing the GLN when they are sending the message. So the item is sent to GLN1, but your service provider, when they send the message to us, they are specifying GLN2.
Yeah.
That is one of the reasons. So we have you had a long Excel file of errors that you are doing, and all the errors are caused by not following the technical guideline that is already sent, that is already published on Tatmeen.ae. If your service provider is following the technical guidelines and the description of them that is published on Tatmeen.ae, you shouldn't be receiving those errors. However, we are going through these errors. My colleagues are going through them one by one. And they are putting their comment next to it. My recommendation is to go through them and rectify them one by one.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thanks. Sally, good morning.
Yes, hello, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Nibal. Thank you so much for organizing this meeting. Well, actually, I have a very small request from your kind side. While commissioning one of our shipments, we have received an error, and I seek your support to help me to identify the source of this error. The error description is the GLN of the EPC does not match the read point GLN.
Okay.
So can you please clarify what does that mean?
Okay. The read point of the EPC doesn't match the
again the GLN of
okay.
the EPC does not match the read point GLN. As you know, our agent is AlphaMed, and they have three stores, 3 medical stores, and each one of them has a different GLN. With our team, we have checked the destination GLN. It was matching our records. Yet, we have tried with 25 batches from this shipment, and all of them showing the same error. The GLN of the EPC does not match the read point GLN.
Bharadwaj, please unmute yourself. What is that error in specific?
Can you repeat the error, please, Sally?
Yes, of course. The GLN of EPC does not match the read point GLN.
Okay, so I think you're doing commissioning, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so in that case, the duty in which you are trying to commission doesn't have the read point tag. I think you are passing some incorrect GLN value. If you can pass the MAH GLN.
Can I ask one question, please? This GLN, you are mentioning that it could be mistakenly entered. This is regarding the dispatching side GLN or the receiving store GLN?
No,
the destination.
It's still commissioning. Commissioning is not linked to receiving or shipping or dispatching. So when you send the EPC message, you put a GLN in that message. The product, what Bharadwaj is trying to say is that the product is linked to a different GLN than the GLN that is put in that EPC message. So send us, please, this message. The message ID, the most important thing is the message ID, the GUID number of that message ID. Please don't send it as a screenshot. It will be difficult for us to type it letter by letter. It's a long.
On an Excel sheet, maybe it's better.
Yes, please. And we will check it and we will clarify exactly what is wrong with it.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thanks. Biju, can you please unmute yourself? Thank you, Bharadwaj.
Thanks, Rawal.
Biju, can you please unmute yourself?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
I am also from distributor Albakar. Actually, we are receiving a weekly in transit report from Tatmeen.
Daily.
Yeah, daily. Yeah. So when I am starting to trace this, which shipment it belongs to, because it doesn't have any consolidated reference number. I mean to say only SSC is there, because we never know whether we have actually received this SSC. So when our supplier dispatch from their end, they put an outbound reference number into Tatmeen. So is there any way we can incorporate that outbound reference number into this in transit report?
We can include it to our requirements, but I don't think this is something that we can do immediately. It might take some time. The reason is that if you add any additional field to this report that is being sent to the industry on daily basis, it will cause a huge increase in volume. Assume how many reports we are sending every day now. So it was weekly, now it's daily, and any field that we add will cause more delay to the whole or more data being sent. So let's check. What I would say, if you need to receive them, and then you can, once you receive them, then you can do product verification to check the details of the product.
Correct. Yeah.
That's the current suggestion. We will consider it. I will add it to the requirements, and let's see if it's practical or not.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks. Biju, can you please unmute your? Sorry, Biju. Sharjah Drugstore, can you please unmute yourself? Sharjah Drugstore, please unmute yourself. Anish Apu, can you please unmute yourself?
Hi, good afternoon, Nibal.
Hello. Hi, Anish.
I have a general doubt actually. So if a manufacturer is sending an EPSIS file, and here the license agent is doing this commissioning with that EPSIS file.
The license agent is doing the commissioning. The license agent is doing the commissioning. Okay.
So in that case, if you are reporting to Tatmeen, it will appear in license agent's GLN, right? In Tatmeen.
Yes.
So if the product is not yet still in the clearance, is it fine or not?
Ideally, no, but we understand that in certain cases, the MAH might not
this
be
is
able.
possible, right?
Yes, it is possible. We understand that some MAHs are saying we don't want to connect to Tatmeen. We just give the data to the license agent and then let the license agent manage it. So
Because in a
is
previous
understood.
call,
yeah,
in previous call, I just said that if the product is in the clearance, we cannot see it in our Tatmeen portal. So I thought it will be get blocked if we are commissioning like this. So it is fine, right?
No,
MOH will be released.
It will not be blocked. Yes, MOH will do based on the shipping permit number. If you commission the items according to Tatmeen requirements and the shipping permit is having quantities, then it will they will be able to make the clearance, import clearance. No worries on that.
Thank you, Nabil. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, Anish. Thanks. Sharjah Drugstore, are you still with us? Sharjah Drugstore. I think you're having issue in unmuting yourself. Anyways, all right. I think this was. Hello. Yes, we hear you.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, I have only one doubt from the when we are receiving from the distributors all items from some distributors items I cannot send. And I cannot when I send I get the technical error.
But did you receive them? Did you receive them?
Yeah.
Did you make receiving?
Yeah. We make received. We make all things is okay. It's already done. Yeah, done. And
what
this
is
one.
What is the technical error that you are receiving? What does it say?
Technical error only the timing only when I get only the timing only go successful. Another all making failed.
Yeah, but what does the error say?
Error say process only process.
Okay, are you handling big lots of shipments or small shipments?
Yeah, with the pharmacy also we are doing, and we are doing also the drugstores.
Okay. Please take a screenshot of that error and send it to us to onboarding.tatmeen.ae. We will reply to you within the same day.
Okay. And
take a screenshot of the error, and
I can say the distributor name, which one is the problem I getting. Now I can say the distributor name, which one I'm getting problem.
You can see it or you cannot see it?
No, I can say the name of the distributor.
No, not necessary. Please, send it to us by email, not on this call, but send it to us on the email and put the GLN that you are trying to send to.
Okay.
And we will investigate the causing of this error.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Thanks.
No problem. You're welcome. Okay, I think with this question we reached the end of the call. As usual, we will share with you the recording on this chat. If you have any question, please reach out to onboarding@tatmeen.ae, and we will be more than happy to help. Okay, thanks everyone for joining this call. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.